Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Alfa Romeo Stelvio versus the Lamborghini Urus. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these high-performance SUVs unique, from their thrilling engines to their luxurious interiors. Get ready to discover which one might be the perfect fit for your driving desires and lifestyle. Let's explore their distinct personalities. When it comes to raw power, both SUVs deliver an exhilarating ride. The Stelvio Quadrifoglio offers a potent 505 horsepower, providing agile handling and a truly engaging experience. The Urus, however, takes performance to another level with over 640 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. It's a battle of Italian engineering at its finest. Stepping inside, you'll find distinct approaches to luxury and technology. The Stelvio offers a refined, driver-centric interior with quality materials and intuitive controls, perfect for spirited driving. The Urus presents an opulent and futuristic cabin, featuring cutting-edge infotainment systems and extensive personalization options. While both comfortably seat 5, the level of extravagance and digital integration truly sets them apart. Considering value, the Stelvio provides incredible performance and style at a much more accessible price, making it a fantastic choice for many enthusiasts. The Urus, on the other hand, is an ultimate statement of luxury and extreme power, justifying its higher cost for those seeking unparalleled exclusivity. Your choice depends on your priorities: thrilling daily driver or ultimate performance SUV. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.